3 posts here. That'd be for the girder. And the posts sit back 1 foot from the end of the deck. We have joists running here, 12 footers. When we get to this section in here, which is a 4-foot section, the joists will be 16 foot long. So they come all the way out to here. So here we put another post and another post here for this 4-foot section, which would be kind of like a platform for the stairs. Then we come down 5 feet to a platform, which is going to be supported by a post here, 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 and here. And that's a platform. The stairs themselves will sit on the first 4 feet of the 4-foot platform. Then we have 4 feet coming over at about this height. And then we bring stairs down onto the patio here. That's the idea behind it. Now, as far as digging the footers, no problem digging that one, and this one, and this one, and having space in between. We'll start with digging these 3 here. So this one here is fairly close to this one. And these 2 are kind of close to one another. So we'll probably just dig this as one whole big footer. And we'll probably dig this one here as one whole big footer. And the others will be individual. So that's the idea behind it.